Imagine robotic dogs equipped with advanced artificial intelligence patrolling the front lines of a battlefield, carrying out surveillance, and even engaging in combat. These so-called slaughter dogs aren't just science fiction, they're part of the next generation of warfare. With AI driving their decision-making and robotic precision powering their movements, these machines are designed to take on the dangerous and dirty work of war, all while keeping human soldiers out of harm's way. At the heart of this revolution are two global powers, the United States and China. Both nations are racing to develop robotic quadrupeds that could dominate future conflicts, including a possible World War III. The US focuses on building highly advanced AI-powered machines with unmatched precision and capabilities, while China is prioritizing affordability, mass production, and rapid deployment. This technological arms race reflects their broader battle for global dominance in artificial intelligence and robotics. But this is more than just a technology competition, it's a potential nightmare. Robot dogs are sprinting 100 meters in under 10 seconds. Humanoid robots are rolling off production lines by the thousands. Advanced AI drones are swarming the skies. Together, they represent an unprecedented shift in the balance of military power, with experts warning that an arms race like this could spiral into a global conflict that looks like something out of a dystopian sci-fi movie.
If you enjoy content like this and want to support me, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This is Infotainment. I am trying to grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Please let me know in the comments what AI topic you're interested in.
Robot dogs, officially known as robotic quadrupeds, are four-legged machines that mimic the movement of animals while offering unmatched versatility and adaptability. Powered by artificial intelligence, these machines can navigate rough terrain, perform autonomous tasks, and carry out operations that would be too dangerous or tedious for humans. At their core, robot dogs are a fusion of cutting-edge engineering and advanced AI. Sensors, cameras, and LiDAR allow them to perceive their environment in real time, while onboard AI helps them make split-second decisions. They can follow commands, learn from their surroundings, and operate autonomously in complex scenarios, whether it's conducting reconnaissance, delivering supplies, or even carrying weapons. In the US, companies like Boston Dynamics and Ghost Robotics lead the charge, producing robotic quadrupeds designed for defense, search and rescue, and industrial use. Boston Dynamics Spot, for example, has been praised for its agility and adaptability, while Ghost Robotics has introduced models capable of carrying weapons for military applications. The United States has been at the forefront of robotic quadruped development, leveraging cutting-edge technology to create highly advanced machines. American companies like Boston Dynamics, Ghost Robotics, and others are leading the charge, producing AI-driven robot dogs that are designed to take on challenging tasks in defense and agriculture. One of the most well-known names in this field is Boston Dynamics, whose robot dog, Spot, has become a symbol of American ingenuity. Spot is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, cameras, and AI, allowing it to navigate uneven terrain, carry loads, and perform a variety of tasks autonomously. While Spot has been primarily used in non-combat roles like inspecting infrastructure or assisting in search and rescue missions, its potential for military applications has not gone unnoticed. Ghost Robotics, on the other hand, has fully embraced the military potential of robot dogs. Their Vision 60 model is specifically designed for combat scenarios. These robotic quadrupeds can carry weapons, conduct surveillance, and operate in environments that would be too dangerous for human soldiers. The US military has already begun testing Ghost Robotics units for missions such as perimeter patrols and reconnaissance, showcasing their potential to revolutionize warfare. But the role of American robot dogs doesn't end on the battlefield. In agriculture, these machines are being adapted for use in slaughterhouses and food processing facilities. Robot dogs equipped with specialized AI can assist in the butchering process, improving efficiency and reducing the need for human labor in environments that are often hazardous or unsanitary. China's Slaughterbots. Meanwhile, China is ramping up its efforts with companies like Unitree Robotics and Deep Robotics. These firms are producing AI-driven quadrupeds designed for both military and civilian use, including agricultural tasks and law enforcement operations. China's focus on mass production and cost efficiency makes these machines more accessible, potentially giving them an edge in numbers. China's advancements in robotics go beyond quadrupeds. The Chinese company Unrai, for instance, introduced the B2W robot dog, which has capabilities that sound straight out of a science fiction thriller. It can somersault, climb mountains, carry a person on its back, and even perform handstands. Videos of the B2W navigating rugged terrain went viral after Elon Musk tweeted about it, showcasing its agility and adaptability in potential rescue or combat missions. China also boasts the Black Panther 2.0, a robot dog that can run 100 meters in under 10 seconds, potentially outrunning human sprinters like Usain Bolt. Designed with inspiration from black panthers and desert rodents, its efficient movements, carbon fiber build, and AI-driven adjustments make it a terrifying force on the battlefield. These machines aren't just concepts, they're already being used in policing and surveillance tasks, with some equipped to carry rifles during military exercises. China's focus on mass production ensures these robots are available in large numbers, potentially overwhelming adversaries with sheer volume. The competition between the United States and China in the development of robot dogs reflects a larger battle for technological and military dominance. Both nations are leveraging their unique strengths to push the boundaries of robotics, but their approaches couldn't be more different. The United States has built a reputation for precision and innovation, prioritizing advanced AI and high-quality engineering. Companies like Boston Dynamics and Ghost Robotics create robotic quadrupeds that are designed for highly specialized tasks, from precision surveillance to combat support. China, on the other hand, is betting on scale and affordability. By streamlining production and focusing on cost-effective designs, Chinese companies like Unitree Robotics and Deep Robotics are producing robot dogs that can be manufactured and deployed in large quantities. Robot dogs, humanoids, and AI drones are no longer futuristic ideas. They're shaping the present. Whether in Taiwan, Ukraine, or beyond, their deployment in conflicts could redefine modern warfare. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. It will help me to create more content like this.